Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments. I love to read them all. Y'all, just a quick announcement before I get into today's video. I just want to let y'all know on my website I have added a blog. It's on my book website. The blog will be only about how to build your online business related stuff. Y'all please check it out. It's completely free. Check out my blog. The link is in the description box below. The site that says my new books, that's the site that the blogs is on. But I will leave a link directly to the blog page also. Y'all, President Trump said yesterday that the Mooch Man is doing a good job. Is there two Mooch Men? Because the one that I've been seeing, he ain't been doing a dang thing. Y'all let me know what you think about the job the Mooch Man has been doing in the comments. I would love to hear what you think. I think I know what you think. Y'all, it's not much happening today in the world of stimulus. Heck, they don't do much work during the week. How can we expect them to do anything on the weekends? I guess we're all just wishful thinking. But not much is going on. So I'm going to talk about the things that we know from last week. Pelosi has said that she will release her $2.4 trillion package in detail. So we will know what it is. So she's not just getting a blank check. Pelosi also said that she will not try to impeach the president again because she learned the first time she couldn't do it. Trump did sign an executive order forcing big pharma companies to lower their drug prices. This will not help everyone, but the people that it will help really needs the help. I mean, he can't do everything at one time. We got to take steps, and this is a step in the right direction. Trump said he will be sending out the $200 bank cards. Some people are jokingly calling them Trump cards, to help the people offset their medication. This is people that's on Medicare that still has a copay to pay and they can't do it. So this will help them people. Again, that's not going to help everyone. But if you don't need this check, be thankful that you don't need it. Because people that's on these medications, they're in bad health. And if you don't need this, that means you're in good health. Be grateful. Don't be cynical. The government funding was voted on and passed by the House. It still needs to be passed by the Senate and then signed by President Trump. Everybody believes that this will happen. There's really no opposition in this. Y'all please check out my links below. Check out that blog. There's a lot of good reading there, and it's completely free. Also check out my books and my mastery class. It's on the same website as the blog. Y'all, I love you all. Until tomorrow, keep your faith in God that He will see us through this, because I know He will. He would not bring us to this storm unless He's going to see us through it. I have total faith in that belief. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. And go back and check out the money making video that I put out this morning at 9 a.m. I will link it at the end of this video. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.